Mireku Ducker. In Oman who say Sana MP. No one for so attack him.
Yeah.
And the reason why I don't fall for blackmail is this. So it's just a matter of time.
Yeah.
So we catch I will say, if you don't do this, I will do this. Let the person do it. Because it's a matter of time. You will fault.
Yeah.
I am not a fan of. You can't hold me with blackmail.
Damn.
Bitch, do it.
Yeah.
Papa, and you know so be obiano. That's why I make cancer no. Me see MP before. See the ahuma boy yam. Now you sacrifice election way. Near getting rid of an idiot derail psycho way boy. Because Kennedy has been a problem of the party for so long.
Yeah. He always threatens us with his words. Nothing. Now, a opposition 2016 or gather information. NPP babem information I had no provide day against NDC. He kept quiet. And NDC for swimming pool no akotum na adware bi say ne ono mu na adware. Honorable Ken, I had respect for you because of the way mo tadi ahoden gina ye type party na chi ya ma party be drum pempen so bi. Ene o feel say NPP no Mireku enti they say wo free mu akọ no akọ dware ama ho ate. Debi party a wom amaya ba opposition na ne ubaba be gina hon ma ba be ka say party na anya ade na wom no na so also drink Ghana for ho e den nsem na kai wa bra na mo abem.
Say auntie sister Efia made a very brilliant point earlier on. Say you wanted to become the flag bearer of MPP.
Yes.
Knowing very well, say you've
done all these things. We've done all these things.
Where lies your principle?
Only be
Papa no only credibility.
They say no. What on credibility? So what you say? Because didn't I can say or feel say or bar I'm fighting for the youth. How many youth did you employ in your sector?
And also
so how many youth and I will also
contract award despite media no. They help her as in maybe by advice or whatever to get a house and the first house. And who on the two and I say Oman FM or Ash FM can come and say for a fact no. And honorable in Japan Adwen as a hustler when you're Nefi and I say whatever. Say you care so much about the youth.
Obwa nada an intro no diache. It is about time as we jino yini they say when yin 66 when ya bofra. My yemfa uboni ani di na sabrena na ejina so Kennedy Japan say we Ken a Japan na gu enena wo no fie kwani mo no edumra say wo no di adwen pane ade de bo man no enena betutu futuro di agum as we jai unyai sa ne ma no sa tete politics ne threatens near the Odeban. Because he cannot provide any little evidence. Say we say. And no. Yeah, bobo what the more patch Sabrina na yina yeah bobo what the chenimuno. Or patch let me say, or no the one you fiana. Candidate Japan should come out. He should come out. Say,
Prince, let me help you with this. Sister Fiadi obeying my American, Mr. Moses, or Juma, or a deputy something or the office war. Uko help a patent one or a tuna even baby or take rented dine. I met him 3 days ago. Why? Me say, why? And the workers there are complaining. One more to me, money free. Oh, Moka. And what's he talking about?
I know it's not be today. Many delay the agron, not delay Hon Ken. radio station. Busumi so nchuomoka. Kennedy Japan when the workers are, they look wretched and broke. Some of them look like they don't work. Now, if you are doing the same job for 7 years and it is not changing any part of your life, your boss is a wicked person.
Yeah.
So, your boss and then also Kasama youth, na youth who here no. How many donations or they come up police service and Ghana Armed Forces and how many donations or yet my youth in Libya? I say, and ne my friend Mabunu Oha. Me boy me the mash me do my man as say oyebi. I am not one.
By this time,
no.
May I fear sure say crime we fear sure say educational fund. Now no mudway into our educational fund and our funding for afi Kennedy afendi per 100. Master wa kwa kwata sene amfa adwene. Kai.
So titembia na o blackmailing crofo and intro ene ehunumhuna ene ade na ye no ntene ma NDC for target with the ameswali na wonam na wo wano kasa ya and ne wo say ma I shouldn't tamper with justice I can say
yeah
say na mo kasa ene ya chi wo bia wo say NPP for sorry na ye kujina obi a wa committee crime ye kujina na chi wo bra uko treason uko kasa against the nation no anya NPP for no be gina ichiri. Yes,
police
diabolic attention or per se or the
police
political party no it is a Pentecost so runtimi mu no it is a presby titi Roman untimi mu no me ka kire ne say me NPP party no Kennedy Japan it is a Methodist it is a Pentecost it is a Roman it is a tete basre no untimi mu no e ko form e be sorry e ko form e be sorry oti ase wonyai ya hunihuna no na aban te so a wo ye niema bone odi nsemfu momienka na obe divert attention and now for say NDC for bloggers na wo so a we are for Ken no ni omode ya ala no even ne strongholds kra no omantimi anto NDC antimi anto ama say ala ba na beto aba no oba yero motoma no they never voted for him. It make a chro a man in co wadwini mu ana utirimu say o ba na NDC for na omoyo yodu mu no omba beto abama ne mumu no esa say obekoso mayhem any idea was system ni munti na o pushes our agenda no koneko da Ken 66 wenyini edase
mama me fa wentum eja ko na o use no for foolishness no me Sir John ne kan se we kire me when him say eja ko forestry they gave him contract Sir John na wo twenua eja ko wow yes the contract na man no onko no onko fe kuma wood for ni bi mra kwa wanye na do Simon iska agenda 2016 sika was oni kuma wood for ni ko chekura onko adi the people who are making noise are also the people who have benefited
and created the problem.
No makasa me boa na waja ko wona mo no and NPP one the forestry contract be ma wo the letter be na betwe yes na mungu you come to us papa me wa
me da say Queen Uncle Alice good evening you aboko
Eradi aduma
yo ye
okay kakra mpesa meka ne say me who say Ken a child na me who say a format na NDC for na sponsor that sponsorship ni nyina
exactly yes
because me no I felt my spirit and I me who say no niama oche nyina no omo ye bibia divert attention adenti na se niama no one fa udi u birthday o pese obwanko fo adenti na unfa nko otu studio home anase umwa individual bia omunye government aye soldier for nankasa ni police for nankasa cars because I remember say NDC by nana doni kasa or the ma a soldier for any police for no almost e say in esa commission bio etino enya dia ken nagasa opa onso anyame se ono anati ni bottom sika editor say niam ade koche ana aye omo hu say NDC for nagazeze no omo kasa say Ghana for ntie what you say omo kasa Ghana for ntie say omo what you say etino omo pese omo yusu ken na all the divert attention etino omo yusu no na ken no sebio omo say nyansa no ye wo nyansa ene onim de and na say niam mienu ni nyina na abono because na ni re fi say some documents and I say documents bi ho no angaza sign and canadri ye no hu kania aga say sebio mi yusu we say jimi na go njimi sa and come make it certain comment bio what did me tell say enti no mimi hu ni say ono angasa na enisifo eyengofo mbe yusu ne pa but on be dampo no e wo dasbin mu one meme de etwa say MPP for ye yi ni free mu enne mayen twen enka say ye esoso ne so me nokre yesoso ne so no onya hoden mo ejimi etwa say samre ya MPP national executive eman letter no resign efi MPP na omo sakin efi MPP mu hwe me ka say omo sakin na MPP belusu but omo sakin na MPP be wini because sese ano menka ne say MPP key position no oka ho bi oni baomia any executive nyina be meeting omo bopo ni wia na wakoto ma enisifo why be 2024 oyebi
Yeah.
2024 oyebi na mi hu senti kura omo soso ne so sa omo yin ni free mu na emfa dwumade ene ahoden ene mpaye yen dwumade ye be wini sese Kennedy unim sese Ghana fo ehuni pa omo na omo di na chi na omo wogidi onimu nyina no omo tani back to the Kennedy. I remember say ejako me share some a series bi on TikTok bi or kokro bi so omo convince nkofo amoma yede omo be join base no na menua nkofo djuma omo didi omo kra nyame penanim oti ase sese ya no omo di base na gaza no omo ye selfish o omo pa omo bottom kike oti ase entine MPP fo ne nya ne ntamanim ya omo saki ne fi o because information dey be mind this for no your campaign strategy na obeto man this for because mine na gasa no hwe 2023 me dem mechanic kra me to Obama Kennedy senti kra me to Obama Kennedy na that time na say omaka MPP look at say MPP become something na ye person ke yenye new face bi anka betumi ade ayeyi ana yankopon say baomiana na enye den enko but ye campaign echi na Kennedy ankasa ehye nkofo echi ye campaign menua wodi opa mo wo videos a Kennedy ekogina platform so eye campaign muntie ne nsem okan ni nyina ye against oye se tia MPP ni campaign oye nyina no o kasa osa kasa tia MPP but mpenifo no I don't know say niam bie from any as o maso esua I can't tell almost sorry because MPP no omo ye executive national executive no party na nyom no nkwa no party ye omo di o yenom ene ye bro grassroots ye na ye dwumaden ye di MPP ye de etena ho omo di enim kan enti no omo ntumi anyi papa we mfiri wa I'm telling you say 2028 aban meme nkonko we see me time because me ko waste me time minim say akwa we no information bi obeto ama NDC for na hwe ye hu ye because minia akwa no oni adwebo na num kasa ne ni yo nyina but mimi hu ni say nyame na start ya o expose no nyame na yo nyame na expose no we starting them ento onkoso ano ye den onye de oye no yeso ye ready say ye be attack no de odi bebe bia no ye be yi ne to nanim guase ebeba bebri afede nanim say ono benyini na nka ye beka se o Ken to me be ye bibi say no afa de ni ambition ni na beto nsuom and afa kra de amafo bebo ni din kra bebo ni din bone say kra people started mention the bad thing against the Ken obo so oye selfish onje Ghana ho da be no wa criticize NDC da NDC ni ma boni omu ye nyina tantan de omu ye nyina no Ken mbie na no enye because onim de onya onim de oji wo back door enti wan hwe ne ya yeso ye ne backup pa medase
Uncle Alex ebusianfo NDC for buy no for the first time our Fourth Republic they remove a chief justice. Now there chief justice no yes no. The current chief justice, what isn't he doing? Traveling with NDC program no occur and all those things. Honorable Ken did not utter a word say at the NDC4 yeah chief justice no it is wrong or whatever. Nothing. At the NDC4 yeah bill and conform with Chomuka earlier this evening. Honorable Paul Kuma was saying it say Nkofwa NDC4 appoint 18 people as deputy ambassadors no sika omujikra no ebrunia minister of state and for this year alone you just 18 people no in the minimum of 12 million Ghana cedis and in excess of 25 million Ghana cedis yet 2.5 million US dollars. Honorable Ken and the funny say MPP must go down. Why would you want to do this to us? Gaskia, Pacho Breme, 5 minutes and go. Gaskia TV, Pacho Wa. Okay, Manuel is one person I would really love to hear on this matter. I want to hear if he's going to say Enja and I say more fire. Manuel,
Yeah, voice.
yes.
Version we are working there.
Yes, so I don't know now as well.
You go for don't want my kwani ahun den te bia so that man me ti obi biara so wo platform we so. Now you say
Queen
me
was
check
raw.
it.
Queen if was
You say
raw.
yeah, queen me den ti aso ko dem queen afia. Well, so when it comes to Kennedy, I compare Japan, you be I mean I don't like. I've not liked them since day one. And then, but I'm not seeing leadership with balls currently in the New Patriotic Party. I'm not seeing it currently. I'm not saying kind of way because I didn't mind me who said we don't have men with balls in the New Patriotic Party. It's yesterday. It was yesterday, sorry. Andra Health Committee of Parliament. MPP. Kennedy according to we release a letter indicating the letter mention his name. Say what could this be? So we are speaking against it. Do you know what they wrote? They as almost say some senior members, of the party. That was what was written in the letter. So they were
I'm
responding to
part of
some
that committee, by the way.
and yes, and munya balls. And yeah, voice, all of you don't have balls. Like on a more serious note. If you are part of the committee, then you don't have balls. Because how can you issue a letter? You know the specific person who made that statement. Yet you don't mention his name and say some senior members of who are the senior members. When you say senior member, as I will say Omodoso. Why no why? Why no why? One Omukasai. No nye Kennedy Nkwane Kasai.
Yeah.
Therefore, why were you afraid to mention the name of his name? Address him say Asama Ukai, you now can't draw. Why other than Ghana for any action, sir? Or be a chantra, Munkase, Mumboni, a citizen who chantra. That's why when I go on TV and radio, last time Kokasana and Miss Munkase, we are chantra, Musa Kasa, I mean, can say, or a penny, men casting with chantro. Nipa de chantro, other than most, you are just spoiling our house. Most say, as a country, you don't want us to speak truth to leadership. It's not yet there, say a muadi, just say a muadi, but we just speak truth to leadership. Nipa ko ni di nsɛmfo a yɛma wo te ase sɛ ɔsi mesi ɔbɛnti wodi nsɛmfo gya nkwaseadeɛ no a woyɛ no gya nkwaseadeɛ no a woyɛ no and it is high time that as a party we take bold decisions.
Are you not
It's
worried,
high time
sir? Honorable Ken, sir, or your secret? Are you not worried, sir, or the secrets in Baba Bonting?
as a hwɛ secret bɛn na wɔ wiase And the other people you couldn't go for. You
Mm.
couldn't, as a party, have we killed someone? That's the question you need to ask yourself. Have we
Queen, you were
killed
saying
Ya
something.
someone?
kuni pa nso a wono ne ku wo.
Nigga, have we, that's the question that we need to ask ourselves. What is more like greater than say we be kulipa? Ye kulipa. And now MPP as a political party are called Abokrono. Let us know. And one thing about the MPP is that we don't condone stupidity, we don't condone corruption. If we were MPP mu, now saying Fakwana could disika. I say, we also a patriotic. So kind of PhD, patriotic, dear ben. How can you say that you love the country? This is the question I want to put to Kennedy Japan. How can you tell us that you love the country? You love the youth in the country, yet Unkrofwe Diska, when you were the chairman of the kind of say a committee, which is security committee memoir,
Yeah. Committee on
you were
Defense.
a committee on defense. Thank you very much. You were a board chair of what's the name?
Anagas.
Ghana Gas. You were the member of parliament for Asin North, sorry, Asin Central,
Yeah.
and you were not able to voice it out. Hey, Kennedy, you were not able to voice it out. You've sat on it for how many years? And you're coming to tell us this today, say, when I dog Ghana, Tio, when I would dog Ghana, Nkrofwe di mind sika, when I was here, say Nkrofwe di mind sika, Nkrofwe to agenda, one hospitals. Unim, what's not so busy and ne, Kennedy, they won't dog Ghana for. You don't love Ghanaians. You don't love the youth.
Madam, na se watena so. Enkrofo ye oma ye boni nyina yi. Wo sa se wo mre. Efa wo yiri ya wa ye setwe ahodo yi. Ene wo ma. Eye door to door campaign. Se
Mm.
enkrofo oma ye wudi same way. O pesa wo beda wo ma no.
Mm.
Thank you.
You wanted to come and lead this NPP, you were ambassador.
Yeah.
These
Yes.
criminals. Enkrofo ye you claim say. Omo ye ne ye galamse wo Ghana no. You wanted to be our flag bearer.
I was even shocked say he even
Yeah,
brought
to
that Galamsey
Abane
issue.
Mawa Kennedy, will you be spewing this garbage?
That's the
Hmm.
question.
Hmm.
Eh? Boy,
Ah,
so that if the account I flag bearer and Kabeza, that's one question that we need to ask him. And then we are Misu Okasa saying this so. M1 Ghana police. Kofi for soon Kasa Beka say a tons palace Mukotino. Ghana
Hmm.
police. Because sure was cyber unit.
Yeah,
And the
more.
cyber unit has come across the audio. You invited Kofi Ofosunkasa because we say a ton scholarship. Someone is saying say a ton agenda 111 hospital. Since time
Contract.
Obeka and he has not been invited to assist with investigation. Are we serious? No, are we serious as a country? He should be invited by the police to come and assist with investigation.
Dear
No,
Manuel, my pay was empire. Hey, and then
Bekra Mashoki. Bekra
and then
no,
Mashoki.
he should be
Manuel
invited.
Paddy.
He should be
Mashoki.
invited
Bekra
by the
Mashoki.
police to come and assist with investigation. Because ultimately, and making such allegations, ultimately making such statements. The catch here say, yen train, June that was June that been June July
2027. Next
2026.
year.
As a only she one home, he has nothing. If or Pesa June, it is just a one said, we are badrimba. Now drink what kind, drink what you can clearly see say he's being used as a tool against the NPP by the NDC. Because why are you
Yeah.
waiting until June, July 2027? I wouldn't say I got some little time near election. If truly you are genuine, you have evidence, you speak the truth, come out with it right now. And let us get
Yo.
the who said me, I always say this there is no NPP person or money chrono, I'm never be defending it. I will never do that. So if Kennedy, you are someone who believes say you love the country, me say on fama me one on say me about
Yo.
better change in for no more we Ghana sika no. But if you are not able to do it now so we change 20 wouldn't say sika so embre epa wo sana your friend say that this
It loses its
depreciate your friend.
value. Devaluates.
Yes, yes.
Time value of money.
Eternal. So then Kennedy Japan, why are you doing this to yourself?
Manuel, before the
Yeah.
answer mubebano. So see June. From now to June,
Yeah.
no America and yet my wire cocoa board. Inferior materials are on money supply my Ghana for. And
Mm.
electrical fires are taking over the country.
Yeah.
And nobody is holding this tomfool dick responsible. Kennedy Japan to America and go jail.
Yeah.
And go jail. From now
Yeah.
to June, no, all started with the 100 million contracts. Our G, yeah, I just want check my party for on Kwaji, yes, sir. On your sika, not their supporting party, no. Party Baba and Kennedy are supporting. No.
That is the reason why Ken opposite or back NDC for all the time. Because say oh ye not journey say or be back MPP kesia ye betchinatum.
And he's a coward.
Yes, and this
He's
is
a coward.
asaha echi anoto na ohura treja. Nti adia obekama NDC for aginatum na esoka. So hu. But ebedru ba bi no hu say NDC for omo pa ba wo no ho. Fidie ni be yi no.
Manuel, can you wrap up? 1 minute,
Okay.
Muna.
Okay. Thank you very much. To be wrapping up, no.
Mm.
What I would tell the party is that it's high time we take a decision because we can't sack your national chairman, your second vice, your general secretary some years back, and today we are pampering stupidity. I'm pleading with the leadership of the New Patriotic Party. I think it's enough. Enough is enough. Listen, the MPP that they used to know some years back, no, and MPP nini and then I know because they have benefited from the party. Kennedy name crop funding telephone more party, no, they are okay. We the youth, we also need to come to power. We need to contribute. We need to benefit and let our younger ones also benefit from the party.
Yeah.
So they should stop doing these things.
Yo.
If we need to sack people out of from the party who ox is gone, let us sack people from the party and make the
Yo.
party attractive again. Thank you very much.
That's Manuel. And net dear, Manuel, that is most of the time diplomatic dear. As I say, dear, enough, or can say enough is enough, dear. Any, honorable, I say no, yet, crack. Paucho, Uncle David, Paucho and Bruce, here, Paucho, Gaskia, 5 minutes, Bremen.
Me da bebre voice. In
Yes.
fact, we say me ha check akra.
Yeah.
Na in fact, me the whole day my emre there, but the whole like me tie emre meeting say me say about party na since cause no man me ko tie insem no cause me nam social media na me ko cause ne video na me ko tie na in fact if after spilling out this thing on net 2 na let a bien fi top one by there. Me me started say me nya heart, good heart, ma Justin Kodua BM say yeah man another chance. But he is not actually convincing me. And most of youth are here party him say our boss. Like who born dog? How like Mentias say obietimi abi try to say independent station yempo omuka yen contributing our defeat. That is joy news. Now, because any independent fact check, I check some of no, I have tro. Uncle, you me show remorse and a pa. Abra when your opportunity or air. Now, I banana can say July or say June. Yen can na the other back over Babacan. It's a fear can say me say. On near some biaka, and no call near some biaka.
I am una. Dear me,
On near some biaka.
dear, what they are trying to them. 5 years is there. On our Kennedy, no, Ninrasa.
What kind of voice?
For no more hundred pa.
Voice, share. Asumdwe enetakwa adwe asumdwe enetakwa nsoyem nyina
I Kennedy ni fifi boafo.
Wa ba be fifi bo trust me ame na me swakura na me nte politics pass men Mireku Ducker eno ma mbe hu se sana MP no one for so atakwa nsayem. Trust me. Obi obeka no kura bia even NDC for na kase boy NDC. Hwɛ ono no de ɔkyanya betua ma 2024 ebi kura mpo ennim ade a mekuru ka ya kura onam nsɛm a otutugu nkɔfo asum nti no obi sansa de no mekuru ka ya os mekuru ka etu galamse kwana kwa chene site nso a ni nyina eye what can I can Japan or sponsor nkɔfo watakwa nsayem sisi a no yempanfo no bebre ehu watakwa nsayem a omo asore tia fifi bu afo se mama onye na dwumpo se obakwa because a media guy into no we be nya takwa media station affiliated to takwa nsayem NDC for in omo tu nsemegu omo tu nsemegu iti no akwa na nkasa no ono opekwan bi a odi be gina so a obetimi da akwa di the base for him. The right time. Say MPP wa adibia. This is the best time I see a team take action. About 2027, a year be a kurana, ne emu kakra. But mu 2027, you go 2028. Now by Saki Kenya Japona. Trust me, a binum the yaw best so could jabos back to a bet ya doctor.
Pape. Me sak Canada Japan my di cause my friend could you no or man sak Canada Japan in the campaign to Kodia. That means he doesn't have balls. He can't
No. Like
Kodia
soft.
Canada Japan.
Soft.
Kodia answer Canada Japan.
Who is Kennedy?
Or Chilana watchia. He doesn't have balls. How obey me general secretary? It's as simple as that.
Namo Central Voice Namo Central University. Namo Central University. Mete class yesuade na mete say let us fit up waba. A whole national executive yakoto aba. Ya suspend chairman, secretary, first vice chairman. Na ye dey win election. Who is Canada Japan? I teacher say since Canada Japan ko kasa kura pa asaso tie vote so. Na still no na papa na dada me team so this can be sponsor e bi mo top. I don't know me dwene ho amentiase. Me dwene ho adwene listen that my worried. Hwe my worried man de me ko speed kura po no me if po say speed me ko no ano ye shekakra po banka kakaka policeman ticket o baby amewe iti omayana like yana ye ba no like MPP like omo tetien penfu no omo tetien o omo tetien voice omo tetien ise ehu ne ye ho kura adentina a whole party kese dey like obi abeka asema enye no kre hwe $600 million $800 million you obeka yi it was the right time and anka ese mudigina was be di atro say party na why na adwen so collapse party no because onyo no last one am the man we see mpocho last one am the man we see hwe doctor ye poasem me utwa moja Dr. Baumia na wom we den Dr. Baumia na wom but chale gentility no that onye yeni o party no you can't please anyone you can never please anyone obi ampe wasem wom obi